Hey y'all, it's me, Carmen, yeah girl. I just wanted to hop right into it and basically just put out there that, I just get tired of seeing all of these, home renovation Instagram pages or before and after photos or friggin' mansion photos. Sometimes when I search online, I'll find videos of people who will say oh, I did a quick makeover. First of all, they make the makeovers look like they did it in a day, and a lot of them do. A lot of them do it in a day. They have all the furniture, all the accessories that they needed to do the makeover, and they're in their budget. Some of the things that they bring in is pretty expensive. Even when there are videos that are posted that say something along the lines oh, I did this on a budget, sometimes $500 is not gonna cut it. Excuse me, y'all. Anyways, so $500, that's a budget. $300, that's a budget. I mean, let's be real. Yes, if you want to actually do something really, really nice, you are going to have to spend a little bit of money to, refinish your spot. But at the same time, there are so many possibilities. You can go to a thrift store. You can find stuff on the street. New York is really good for that. And I'm not talking about some dingy couches and things like that. With bed bugs is real out here. That's another thing that's really real. New York is good for that too. But there are so many times I go through Chelsea or just the Lower East Side or even on the West Side. It's I find mad fire furniture that people don't want anymore. I have one friend in particular. I think I've helped her find a couch and a lamp. It's actually the same lamp that I actually have in my apartment right now. I bought that from friggin' IKEA for more than $50. This girl found it for $3.99. Amazing. So anyway, and a brand new couch, which was really crazy. That was really circumstantial. But anyway, there is a misconception that when you redecorate your house, you're gonna have to have this huge budget. You're gonna have to have a lot of money to do it. And also that it needs to be done within a day, or it can be done within 2 days. Some of us don't have the schedules to do that, nor the time or the energy. Some people have kids. When are they gonna be able to do it? So the pressure is off. When you are redoing your place, for me, for example, my apartment, it's taken me a while to redo some of this. And then a lot of the furniture that I have here is given to me, I bought it, or I don't know, but everything is pretty much reasonable. It's a nice mixture of, things that were given to me, things that were found, whatever the case may be. And then in my mind, I have a fixer-upper mind, so I like to fix things, make it look better, add knobs, whatever the case may be. And it takes a while, and I work a full-time job, and sometimes I don't have the time or the energy. But if you have a vision and you want to make your house a home, you will take the amount of time that you need to do that. So don't feel rushed. Don't overspend if you really don't have it like that. Live within your means. I still need to take my own advice on that. But you can still make a cute place within your budget. And it will look like it costs way more than oh, you got that from Restoration Hardware? Oh, great. Your place still looks crazy. So I say that to say, full speed ahead on your decorating journey, and hopefully I'll come out with more little tips and tricks as time goes on. All right.